Sweden definitely has better accessibility than Pakistan, but that also means that a lot of these things are electricity and technicality dependent. For example, there are elevators everywhere, and sometimes those elevators are not working, which actually means that the whole system comes to a big stop and the accessibility just stops over there. Just like today, when I got off at my destination, the elevator was not working, so I had to take the tracks. Okay, so it literally says do not cross, but I just go Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 Okay, interesting. Now this is a lap. What do you do now? Just go back into Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, damn. I mean, just as I crossed, there is a train. Although, alhamdulillah, it's very, very slow. It's actually coming my way. Actually, that was a bit scary for me. As much as adventurous as I am, I do not encourage this kind of behavior, but sometimes you don't have a choice. Now, a lot of you might say that you do have a choice in Zila, you can ask people for help, but the truth is that Sweden is not a country that depends on goodwill. Sweden is a country that depends on systems and processes. You're supposed to go through a proper process because that is in place. But what is not in place is what happens when that system breaks, when it's not working. The elevator is there, fantastic, it's big enough, I can get on it, I've done that so many times, but there are times when it's not working. Do I automatically start relying on society? That's not how the society in Sweden is built. Probably it's applicable in Pakistan. You can ask a couple of people, they'll come, lift you up, take you left, right, wherever you want to go. But in Sweden, that doesn't happen. Also, I've noticed that when these elevators are not working, there is no signage, which means that the system is there, but it's not regularly monitored, it's not regularly checked. And the elevator there is not a luxury, and depending on society is not an option, because goodwill is not a solution, goodwill is bonus. So I often feel that even in countries where I am confident to travel around because there is accessibility and I compare it constantly with Pakistan, at the same time, those systems are still broken because they're not a full circle. There is no system of feedback, there is no system of maintenance. I don't know when that elevator will be fixed or not. And if I plan a trip and if I show up and it's still not working, so my entire trip will go to waste. At the same time, the stakes are very high because sometimes you have to take one train, you have to get somewhere, you have to take flight, you have to go somewhere else. And the system on what to do when things aren't working is actually broken, and that's not a Swedish problem, that's a global problem.